Apple's using Gemini to supercharge its new Siri agent, but analyst Ming-Chi Kuo still thinks whether Apple can deliver better AI experiences or not. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. Apple is using Google's Gemini to revamp Siri and new Apple Intelligence features, but Kuo argues in X that if Apple can deliver better AI applications, agentic workflows, and on-device and cloud hybrid experiences than Google using the same Gemini models. If the answer is yes, it's a good thing for all Apple users, and if the answer is no, this means that Apple's ceiling is set by a model it doesn't control. Kuo raised the point that even if Apple's temporarily behind on AI, it'll ultimately catch up and come out ahead. Nevertheless, Kuo believes Apple's business momentum will stay strong through year-end, as he observes that if Apple's doing this well without AI, just imagine once it has AI. Other reports suggest Apple's longer-term advantage could lie in on-device AI, with the company expected to show how its custom silicon lets it process more AI queries directly on the device rather than in the cloud. Kuo expects to have little bearing on the direction of Apple's stock price in the second half of the year. Regardless of what Apple said at WWDC, the positive second half of 2026 share price trend is unlikely to change as long as the core narrative stays intact. And even if Apple fails to outdo Google with Gemini, Kuo says the stock would not necessarily turn bearish. Fans are still hopeful that Apple will ultimately come out ahead. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.